Okay, I've added more support. I got these at Lowe's, these green bars right here. I added 3, one here, one over there, one over there. I think I want to put one right here too. I bought some chicken wire, but I haven't put it up yet. And I still have to make a door over here. I added this right here over the window, some hardwood cloth. And I also did the same over here. Actually, I nailed those boards in there. And over here, this hardwood cloth around a hole. And I nailed this piece in more. I think my main concern is something going under the fence. So I need to put stones or more boards over here. I've read online they say put the fencing under the ground. That seems like a tremendous amount of work. So I don't think I'm going to do that. What I might do is put more hardwood cloth on the ground inside. Like I have over here.